Good morning students. Welcome to your favorite science class, especially biology class. Today we are going to learn about chromosomes. Chromosomes last class we learned here. Today we are going to learn about the types of chromosome. So chromosomes may be classified on different types according to their start position of centromere as well as based on function. Based on position of chromosomes, chromosomes are classified into different types. They are telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. Based on position of centromere. Centromere means this is a circle shaped structure only. We can call it as the centromere. Based on position of centromere, chromosomes are classified into telocentric, acrocentric, metacentric as well as submetacentric. What is the telocentric? In telocentric, the centromere is found at the proximal end of the chromosome. Here we can see the centromere is present at the proximal end of the chromosome. And the second one, acrocentric. Acrocentric means in this type the centromere is found at one end of the chromosome, resulting in the formation of two short arm and two long arm. In the third type, submetacentric. In submetacentric, centromere present nearly at the center of the chromosome, leaving two unequal chromatids. So, two unequal forms. So, this is normally L shape or J shape. In the last one, metacentric. In metacentric, centromere is found at the center of the chromosome, leaving two equal arms. Two equal arms. There is no difference in the size. Two equal arms. So, this is the first division based on the classification of chromosome based on the position of the centromere. That means first one telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. In the second type, based on function. Based on function, chromosomes are classified into two types, autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes means the body cells. They determine the somatic characters or body characters. Nearly 22 pairs of chromosomes under this autosomes. Then the next one is the allosome. Allosome is also called as the sex chromosome because this chromosome only determines the sex of an individual. In the case of female, it is XX, and in the case of male, it is XY. So, based on this function, chromosomes are classified into two types, autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes means 22 pairs and allosome means one pair. So, these are the classification. Then, what is karyotype? Karyotype means it is the size, shape as well as the thickening of the chromosomes, length of the chromosome in the nucleus of an organism. We know chromosomes we can able to see inside the nucleus. Their thickness, size, shape, everything only we can call it as a karyotype. If it is represented diagrammatically, we can call it as a ideogram. Ideogram means it is a diagrammatic representation of the chromosomes in a chart or that on paper. That's only we can call it as a ideogram. There the chromosomes are arranged according to their increase in the thickness. If we are looking the sex chromosomes, we can able to see at the end of this ideogram. So these are the classification. Are you understood the students the classification of the chromosomes based on their position of centromere as well as based on their function. Position means four types: telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. Based on the function means two types: autosomes, allosomes. Autosomes means body chromosomes and allosomes means sex chromosomes. Okay students, thank you.